let's try with an open cup. Put that over there, and I'll put some white down to start. It's going to be gray, but that'll be okay. I need to salvage this one somehow. I'd like to leave things undone. So maybe we'll do a roving open cup too, which I kind of liked how the video turned out for the last one that I did. Of course, then I have to find my cup. And I don't see it anywhere. Be right back. Oh, maybe I'll just use this one. Don't watch, Barb. I'm going to cut one of your cups up. Yeah, there's my scissors. Yeah, it happens when I'm sort of indecisive as to what I'm going to start with, and then I do something and it doesn't work out. It's better if I think on it a little bit. There. Nice precision flat cut. This cup is a little big for this, but it's alright. We'll get there. Got lots of garbage in here. And my wax paper is peeling all over the place. Well, let's start with a little pop. I guess that was more than a pop. Painted right on the top. Okay, now for something completely different. Take the cell activator out of the way. I don't want to grab it accidentally. Kind of screw everything all up. Okay. Well, that's what the apron's for, I guess. Maybe I'll throw some gold in. Gold always looks good in here. Oops. Not yet. Don't want to move you yet. Starting to come out. Looks kind of nice. So I'll move it a little bit. It's a little canvas, so it's not going to be roving very far. There we go. And timber. Hope you're seeing okay. I'll just check that above camera. Well, it's not working, so there we go. So I've probably been talking to myself for a while. Camera wasn't on. Turned it on, but I think maybe it timed out or something. Hopefully it got the volume, but we don't know because there was no recording. Okay, I think I'll throw some gold in there. And a touch of white. Well, it's a lot brighter than the other one was, I must say. All right, just move this a little more, maybe up towards here. I'll put some more yellows in here. Barb explained to me what the cups were for. I was supposed to put them all together and little, like staple them together or something like that so I could put my paints in them so they didn't fall down so much, which I thought was a stupendous idea. But I haven't got to that yet. I will. Although it'll take all the fun out of it, you know, if I knock them all down or whatever, but that's okay. Now we're getting lots of paint here and some bubbles. Okay, I was just going to put it on the white over here. Hopefully it'll crawl over there. Hello, baby girl. I think I'm going to stop just about there. There's plenty of paint. And okay, I'll pop some bubbles. Oh, better check that camera again. I think it turned off. Nope, it's still there. That's good. Unfortunately, that camera has the volume, and so I'm going to have to voice over that part that disappeared, which is not a biggie. Learn all kinds of things when you're first on YouTube. I didn't know too much about videos. I've done music videos, but there was no me in it. I'm getting some cells, not too bad. Now I'm just going to tip this just gently, if I can, if there's gently involved in my vocabulary. Oops, it's already going off the canvas. Slow down. You move too fast. Okay. Well, it's coming out kind of interesting, which is always nice. Okay. Pull some of that off there in that corner. There we go. This is much nicer than the other one. Okay. Let's put some paint up in here. Give some slipping. Oops. There we go. Just to give it something to move on. Just going to paint some of the corners that are, and it just makes some paint come off of them. Okay. Oops. Maybe it would be better if I just left it black. Lots of lacing. And broken laces from overstretching it, but okay. I'm just going to bring it back a little bit with the composition, just making it kind of a little more balanced. Okay. I'm going to clean up my hands and I'm going to come down with the camera, but I'm not going to do it as I'll do it as a video, but I won't do it as a video right now. I'll kind of wait because I want to clean up this canvas or not the canvas, the tabletop and stuff so that it looks not so wild and you can tell the difference between the picture and the wax paper. But I'm going to tidy up and thank you for joining, and I pray for you all. God bless to you and your families, and I pray that things will be better soon, that food prices won't be so high and everything else, energy. But most of all, I just appreciate that you're here following me on this journey, and have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.